Sir, nung tini je Facebook post khaimani kaisa nung khoroksa titi edition elected edition mongo je post khaimani al jaga neglect khaijaga ham hairi se khaimani uddesho tamni bagai no o post khaina langa sir
Khulumkar uddesho je angsimani bono titi edition elected MDC hnai samania fiaba sarahayung gedalino saimano tini Sarah Hayung ni je International Day for World Indigenous Peoples Day ni celebration in order to honor the midwives. Tarmane je parao age bui serai bana ni somoyo je asubana yogno amno no midwives. Hangga amni cruises ngkang hangkai je health workers ro. Tabung nurse panungka, jes panungka, women representation is very important. Hangga tapos yung indigenous day hangkai bomno indigenous hunjak culture by je krungjak. Firstly, environment by je tonglai rokno. Tai sini culture dressed by sini household items, material culture, sini folklore, folk tales, sini kok samani, seinai kereng, masanai kereng, folk dancers, folk singers. All this comprises of indigenous lifestyle and nature. Fiaba, tini ang nungmani nga ko omahaisi, o jagawo je Rajeshwar Debroma ni je convener Shivo, amahaikai honor kaisang marubo nuglia. Fiaba, omo kaisa TTADC by sponsor kaisa program nui ang knawo, hangka omo to byaktigoto ni whimsical idea by kain ya. Indigenous community saboba tini o jaga sengtam nuka only elected representative rogno borok bisilbak ajaga importance ri tangi thang phiaba society consists of writers, journalists, filmmakers, indigenous singer, indigenous dancer, wakreng, seikreng, ritaknai kereng am herongno bu honor nani tongmani nuka kisa masa root show je jasu independence devo staging the independence do we nai kaisa koisu dance khaima bai oka so om high lifestyle jodi follow khai nga kai the real celebration of indigenous day om meaningless ngai thang om hai salo jeng bai ka khailai ka chaimang khamo ani wana mani gang ka om hai se nini age jeng tsf khaipuro ongthang ba je kuno movement khaimon ongthang jeng onek boro rok jeng gedalja fiaba this time o jaga wo bahiga khaika in a short span of time amo hotspots ka khaijagi nai amo ngai thangka fiaba o jaga wo nugya je khoroksa seikreng khoroksa rasamnai kreng ba khoroksa scholar writer am hairokno je honor imani bu nugjagya parani tubuwi nai je kaise musician ba je musical instrument of practice khai tongnai am hairokno bu honor imani nugjagya tai o jaga wo je midwives ni je khaimani a concept amro no bu debate khaya lama himlai hai masalai nai sorkani rang lakh spend khaima bai tongya ko om hairong no public ta younger generation boys yuiti sanana nai je kuno society jodi si academicians tai artists tai filmmakers tai handicraft experts tai om hairong no sing hangkai the whole concept of indigenous community no neng celebrate khaimani ta meaning khaba amni saibu tongo je traditional healer ro osai khai tongnai ro motai khainai kreng ro om hairok thi salai nai chungba chungsasa khainai asuk lakh rang taka khorcha khaimani baiba kaisa publication kaisa production am hairok khaimano phiaba tini amni bisingo butongo je tabuk to society change ni thangka social media ni ju o jaga wo kok borok tai vernacular language tai indigenous language no tui media tui activism khai tongai tong including noro hai media rong bu tini khoroksa media je jati no tui indigenous issues no tui nai media activist rong no khoroksa no pan pasta kani kolom da reja gya ke sabni bagi tini o program khai kya sabno ba khak ya bo am tui ingkha ajaga wo ang sunil koloi ajaga manjanani amani kogya sung we are indigenous activists nogo tongoi bu jeng every day sung we are involved with the environment indigenous activism, documentation, writing by chang among itong phiaba as a symbolic representation nang job je jaga nang mane government fund by bu nang politicians rong nang honor khaika ba nang politicians rong no a jaga rihinka nga society ba sudu one pillar of democracy by niabla society o democracy o tongo 4 to 5 pillars of democracy and fifth pillar of democracy nga ka people's ni voice ni je movement omro buchi ni rights tong nga o jaga o na sanamu su ta bo je organize khainai jahotu honorable MDC Rajesh o jaga o na sanamu su ta bo je organize khainai jahotu honorable MDC Rajeshwar bo o jaga khaika ba a jaga o bono ang masaka haise nga omo bo je khaimane omo je jotun include khaya barin khaya amo jodi mistake ka next time correct ma khainai but om haika just defensive ha jotun call khaika aku kha defensive mechanism by ingya serai joto lukurok nogoi tongo serai khnai rok nogoi tongo o jagao tini o jagao bomhai bororok participate khai tai bomhai bororok exclude ngi tong khoroksa other than politicians nor a jaga dai sutru nukha doctor phan ngi mang khamo engineer phan ngi mang khamo kaisa film director tab sorodriang songai phan ngi mang khamo media professional jok bang mang khamo chini bisingo si tongo social activist internationally renowned Dara Anthony Songhairo borno phan nugi mang khamo phiawa nugia just because you are elected does not mean that you become the whole custodians of the indigenous community ko om hairong chung voice might khlai lainai in the days to come sanga ma salainai organizing committee busuk TTADC ni fan nakha sung amrung busung jasai khai ma lainai angka ke jodi si omo TTADC ni program kai omo to officer rok se committee khai nai borok invite khai nangmani inkamo phiabo o jagao elected members rok se borok committee khai tongkha angka no civil society jing through ri ma khamo cultural activists rok no encourage khai ma khamo but bibak jagao no politicians elected member rok khai kai what is the meaning of the state missionaries alka je exist khaimani amno kuno meaning kare society cannot be governed only with one section of people o jagao joto section ni population ni contribution by se society ran nai ke je society nini intellectual rokno borom ria nini sikrung rokno borom ria nini resabnai krung rokno borom ria nini journalist rokno borom ria nini kucu rengsireng nogo phrungnai rokno nang borom ria tai nini ajagao para tonginai je wanai krung nok tangnai krung borno sinu borom ria hangkai nang ajagao indigenous community ni je World Indigenous Peoples Day celebrate khainai amoni ortho tamungkha mo o jagao haini elected members ro wari khailai nai mang borong mang aprani borong no glorify khaina bagi to World Indigenous India World Indigenous Day speaks to our culture folklores folk tales chini is a traditional medicine healing dai chini chamung nu bai gadalja amai khaimang kang kasi seung ngai plus grassroots participation dangnai or to grassroots participation dungia neng om hairo ko sabuba yes borok society ni chiefs dong no call khaika well and good but along with that nang real issues no ber khaina ba kaisa সংগঠন কতরমা টমি টং ও জায়গাও ত্রিপুরাও কি সিভিল সোসাইটি কমখা সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া হরসানে হর সাকা হাঙ্কান 100 200 300 বরক যে ডিফারেন্ট ইউনিক চেঞ্জ মেকার সোসাইটি ni যে ইন্ডিজিনাস অ্যাক্টিভিস্ট বর্ণ তো তুবি মানো রমর্স নামনাই করং রিতাকনাই করং किसी wanai kereng dula wanai kereng tai tamo nangu cokam wanai kereng tupi wanai kereng wani am hairon musung tuwi mamle because that is what is indigenous knowledge guiding tangnai kereng om hairong no tini om hairong ko salai ka hang kasi new education policy was even academic syllabus ho je chini tangmung chini chamung chini songmung chini rechabmung omaga khaikang kasi flourish nai but azagao nang sai ka politician mane joto MDCs EM MLS invited all are invited am hai bhai able karon nung kaisa responsibility convener manjak nini responsibility cost to khainai joto section ni society no the best of the best no tuinai srungnani si o knowledge gap ni no gap nuginai ang nijik masai ka omo je sabno bo nung exclude khlai sabno bo nung include khlai okay tabuk to ojo media journalist rogno azak saya nungya khainai rang maya khainai sorkari beton bumaya mas pension bumaya tubu phanase blogs run khayo YouTube page run khainai jatini mane indigenous lifestyle tai culture no promote khai tong ka odino chung asrai rong no kisapon chung khai meya tai what is the level of school level ni students tai gen zero ni participation tini nukha I don't know it's quite doubtful ka o jaga wo haina kaisa section of the bini generation ni borok bai a circle ni tonglai pereng mabai to amo nani kogya Piaba ang je ang wansong mani je ang simani je pori mani simani no tui nai siring tongi malia. Tamani himala situtui nuktutui siring tong kang hangkai omo bo kaisa pa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai phan tong hangkai amani bui kai omo bo kaisa pa. Naka ang je ok kubui kok samani no je sa jagi ang nai phan tong hangkai amani bui ni beparangka. Piaba sing sini culture no sini community no di sana nih enggak gelet kaisa no kagui kaisa na akui omok to ingka neng entry debor mah borok as internationally to tong hangkai bono kaisa kok sana nih just bo elected member singya neng bono gangkai neng ringna ni muito krika do so to belai junia belai tola ni borok jeng academician panangka just panangka phiaba NIT phrungnai Devdulal Tripura song hai tongo Professor Devdulal Culture no tui nei bo belai active university was tong Professor Mohan Chong hairo tai senior tong borok hairo no phan nor ringi mang khango but did they call totally cut off but younger generation tamanai they want to link with the intellectual and the students because youth money to students na kanang o jaga wo politicians rong ni makang simi naina ni bagai indigenous community palai kan kai that is a complete failure and we need to change this mindset of je politically centric je program khaimani rok no TTAD sing thung state government thung amno belai chung encourage khaikan hangka jaya because public fund public ni aro soginang thung public program public organize khainani thung Bibak jaga no politicians hat tari thang haise hayang kangkai baskang ni salo belai author movement ngai omo kuno khoroksa ব্যক্তি ni bagi samani ya the whole system of tabani erani or message everywhere hayang kangkai will be going to the dark we need to transform our mind we need to work for development and we need inclusive society a nation grows when every knowledge keeper mane MA pass BA pass knowledge keeper ya intellectual mane BA pass MA pass PhD khaisa mane knowledge keeper ya knowledge keeper gangka je parao osai khainai je kisi wai tongnai je dol wai tongnai yangkhong wai tongnai violent wai tongnai oma hai rong ni din se tini elected representative rong ni din ya angomo tau sanai ulobu sanai same face everywhere amu saya semano je khaimani a borong stage asokja taklai bo amu asokja amu saya ketal faces various themes knowledge amu je documentation ro khainani indigenous knowledge to spread khainani haike je jeng sara wal jini knowledge jeng soginani pheba jeng gangkai sapresi khailayo am haikele India Society is not governed only by politics. Society is also governed by other things. So, public no ang omno sanamu suwo kubui kok sanani takiri di come up and speak for the truth. Karon sing kubui kok sawinai sing regret nan kokya. Piaba society no si sing contribute kainani nanai. Buyam siapa nang kena hotabo bopan saja yang imana ba bini koizana saputra pan saja yang imana tamu okosaka Sajak mani sajak yani amke emotional ni bepa. But je dud no dud ma hanai जे हांगारनो हांगारमा होनाय कपराबनो कपराबमा होनाय कतैनो कतैमा होनाय आमो आं सामनि कारण शुद्ध आनी voice या I said this is the voice of millions of people joto Tripurani public no omai feeling itongka our society is tamon borok bubagrani mungno siminana lainai bubagrani okono simina lainai bono oko khaika hai khaika tai alka kogu tongo pheba amrongno sana thanya ang but bubagra tam naiba bubagra hai leader to tong Tripura raijo ba sara bharoto je genang gerei henia bigra khangal amai henia joto level bai se tongi tong eke tini bubagra si para thangainai masaya manungya joto community be tongman gangkai neng convener maybe you are elected member neng ka busuk jani ingkha ba je Agartala centric ni nai only certain group of people centric khainai neng sauna bari hin sauna bari nyangka omno honi mana no je angkhor maya ne angkhor mana nanya social media nugi tong pheba representation on the stage je numane a program amo taisa naithogri khlaimang khamo जों हायरनो साका खांखाय जों कन्ट्रिबिउट खायमान फियाबा नों ले तांनि बागै आमो कामनांसै आंखाबा बरनि अर्गानाइजिं कमिटिनि बिसिङनो बरनि बिसिङो कबांलाय दङ ओंखायनो प्लिज पाब्लिक फान्ड बाय सरकारनि रां बाय अम हायखाय मिसमेनेज दाखायदि हायां खांखाय we will be bound to ask you the expenditure for pie to pie o programo busugrang sanction sorkarni mangkha da mayaba biangni collection khaika busuk amo khorja thangka omjuk sawina ang tini jotto lukuni takuk tai bukuk rokno hambaya farei ani kok orno mothageri kha